Welcome back to the Pure Silver Joy YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make an impressed flower pendant, perfect for beginners in silver clay. If you enjoy making silver clay jewelry at home, remember to subscribe to our channel or follow us on Instagram at Pure Silver Joy. And don't forget to give this tutorial a thumbs up to support our channel. Alright, let's get started. For this project, I'm using recycled silver clay. Take your dried silver clay, grind it, sift it, add water, and knead until it's smooth and workable again. This helps remove any air bubbles and evenly distribute the moisture. Next, roll the clay into a small ball. Place a non-stick plastic sheet over it and gently press it with a pressing board. Position spacer slats on either side. Then roll it flat with a rolling pin. If your clay feels too sticky, let it rest a little to reduce moisture, or apply a thin layer of release agent on the non-stick sheet for easier rolling. Once flattened, press a raw textured leather roller over the clay. Then use your flower stamp, lightly coated with release agent, to press the design into the clay. I chose a small orange gemstone to embellish the flower. And finally, use a pendant-shaped cutter to cut out the piece. Once the silver clay reaches the leather-hard stage, refine the pendant using sandpaper or a sanding sponge for a smooth finish. Drill a tiny hole using a mini pin vise for threading the chain. Now it's time to fire your silver clay piece. Make sure it's completely dry. We'll use a kitchen butane torch for firing. Small pieces, 1 to 5 grams, usually take about 2.5 to 3 minutes. Hold the torch at a 45 degrees angle, about 2 inches away, and move it slowly around the piece, don't stay in one spot. Start by preheating gently. You might see a small amount of white smoke or tiny sparks. This is normal as the binder begins to burn. Then watch the color. When the bottom glows faint red and the surface turns light orange or peach, keep moving the flame gently around for about 40 to 60 seconds until the color is stable. This ensures the silver is fully fused. Avoid overheating to prevent warping or damaging any gemstones. Let pieces with gemstones cool naturally for 5 to 10 minutes, and pieces without gemstones can be quenched in water. After cooling, gently remove the white oxidation layer with a steel brush. For a polished finish, start with a silver jewelry polishing compound. At home, polishing sticks work well too. Use the coarse side for a matte look and the fine white side for a glossy shine. And that's it, a simple impressed flower pendant. If you'd like to try making silver clay jewelry at home, check out our Pure Silver Joy Etsy shop. We offer beginner-friendly starter kits with all the essential tools. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our next tutorial. We'd also love to see your creations or hear what you'd like us to share next. Thanks for watching, and happy crafting!